what's up? Okay, so si Raymond Gerald Tabaque na naman to, tambay na naman tayo today's video vlog, okay? So guys, ito lang naman, just an idea na naman or a topic na I hope makatulong na naman sa inyo at makapagbigay ng isang idea, okay? Na makapagbigay sa inyong breakthrough or ng jumpstart sa inyong business or parang may malaman na kayo isang information na malay nyo, okay? Kasi I really believe guys na ang isang business, okay, ang inyong business, it just consists of one idea, okay? Hindi nyo naman kailangan talaga ng sobrang daming ideas eh. Isang idea lang talaga ang kailangan nyo para tipong magkaroon kayo ng resulta at tipong makapag-start kayo sa inyong business ng maayos, okay? So yun naman yun guys. So itong topic na to, ito naisip ko lang naman to nang madalas na naobserbahan ko rin naman kung bakit ang dami nagfi-fail. Kung bakit 98% ang nagfi-fail at only 2%. At yung masaklap pa dito, sa 2% na yun, 2% pa ng 2% na yun, yun lang yung mga umaasenso talaga. Okay? Dahil sa concept na to. So guys, ito lang naman eh. Just a topic about why people don't take massive action. Okay? Bakit hindi nila ginagawa yung mga kailangan nilang gawin? Okay? So ito lang naman yun guys eh. Actually, ito lang naman, isang idea lang naman kung bakit hindi ginagawa ng mga tao. Baka dahil kasi siguro, ito ay because of procrastination. Okay? Guys, as a marketer, okay, if you have this kind of dreams, okay, dreams or yung why nyo, kapag may mga ganun kayo na sobrang bigat talaga ng why nyo, na gusto nyo na talaga umasenso na ayoko na mabuhay ng ganito, ng taghirap, na tipo ang konti ng sahod ko, yung ganyan, you have to hate procrastinating. Okay? Procrastination. Kailangan nyo talagang i-hate yun. Kailangan nyo ayawan. Okay? Kailangan nyo talagang yun. Yung pinaka-ayaw nyong word na maririnig nyo. Okay? Sa sarili nyo. Okay? Number 1, you should hate procrastination. Kasi guys, like I told you before in this video vlogs, okay? You cannot buy time. Kapag sinasabi nyo, next week nyo na lang sisimulan, sayang naman, di ba? Sayang. Kasi eto guys, you don't have to follow me, okay? You don't have to believe me. It's okay. I don't really care about that. Pero ito lang naman, guys. You have to focus on your dreams talaga, guys, okay? A lot of people talaga, sige, nagfo-focus sila sa work nila, okay? Sa trabaho nila. Kasi kailangan nila i-focus dahil mawawalan sila ng trabaho. I know, okay? Gets ko yan kung bakit. Pero guys, ano mas mahalaga para sa inyo? Yung trabaho nyo, yung talagang tunay na pangarap nyo. Diba? At kaya nangyayari dito, kaya nagpo-procrastinate dahil isipin nila na tipong ang dami na nga namin ginawa ngayong araw na ito. Okay? Dami ko nang ginawa ngayong araw na ito. Bukas na lang to. Diba? Pero isipin mo na maigi, daming beses mo siguro nag-Facebook, okay? Dahil siguro stressed ka lang sa trabaho mo, diba? Daming beses mo nag-Facebook. At sana, yung oras na nag-Facebook ka, doon mo ginawa yung negosyo mo, diba? So yun, siguro doon ka gumawa ng nag-aral about traffic, okay? Nag-aral about marketing. Sana, 'di ba? Sayang. So I hope that you hate procrastination and do it now. Hindi next week, hindi bukas, now, okay? Pangalawa, na nasa tingin ko naiisip ko kung bakit hindi gumagawa ng massive action ng mga tao. Ito yung dahil sa naririnig nila sa sarili nila, okay? The voice, okay? Sabi nga, the voice. Sabi nila, guys, the thing that stops you from doing an action that makes you successful is not about yourself, okay? Hindi ikaw yung pumipigil eh. It's the voice that you hear inside your head. Okay? Naranasan nyo ba yung time na tipong gusto nyong subukan mag-video vlog, okay? Pero lagi nyo sinasabi, paano kapag may mag-comment ng negative, okay? Paano kapag nabubulol ako, okay? Paano kapag hindi ko ma-convince yung mga tao? Paano kapag hindi ako magustuhan ng mga tao, okay? Sa tingin nyo ba, worth it ba talaga na pakinggan yung mga voice na yun, na naririnig nyo sa sarili nyo? Okay? Kaya, guys, if you want to be successful, do not listen to that voice, okay? Do not listen to the voice that will stop you from doing what you need to take, what you need to do for your success. Nagsasayang lang talaga kayo ng oras dyan. Nung ako dito, nagsastart ako ng video vlogging, naisip ko yan, paano kapag di ako magustuhan ng mga tao? Okay? Naka-receive ako ng mga comments na tipong feeling ako masyado, okay? Yung tipong masyado akong, yun nga, nag-feeling, okay? Masyadong, kung ano-ano sinasabi ko, okay? Yung mga ganyan mga bagay. May mga haters ako, nagkaroon ako ng haters. Pero I didn't stop myself from doing this because this makes me successful, okay? This makes me different from other people who wants to take action, okay? Kaya kayo guys, you choose, okay? You choose talaga. You have to choose. Either you're going to take the action to be successful or magiging typical ka lang na sasabihin mo, hey, okay, next week na lang. Okay? Next week na lang. Trabaho muna. Stress ako sa trabaho ngayon. Kain na lang muna ako. Next week na lang. Okay? Sunday na lang kasi doon ako may oras eh. Guys, take action now. Okay? I really don't care what your situation is. Okay? I don't know what your situation is. Wala akong pakialam talaga guys eh. Pero you have to take massive action now. This is for you, okay? You don't have to follow me, okay? I don't really care. You don't have to follow my advice. You don't have to follow this, what I'm saying. I really don't care, guys. Kasi para sa inyo rin naman ito eh. Hindi to para sa akin eh. Ako, ginagawa ko ito. Okay? And it makes me results. Okay? May mga tao kumakausap sa akin. May mga nagpapatulong sa akin. Na yun, sa tingin nyo, does that build trust? Okay? Kapag nakakapaggawa kayo ng trust from your prospects, from people, that's the best result that you can get. Okay? Yung pera, dadaan na lang yan. Promise yan, guys. Kaya kayo, guys, eh, what will you choose? Okay? Next week na lang? O take a massive action right now for your success. Okay? You have to choose. You cannot have both, guys. You cannot have both. You have to choose one. Okay? I hope, guys, ang intention ko dito sa videos na ginagawa ko para sa inyo ay maging isa kayo doon sa 2%, okay? Sa 2% sa 2% na 'yon, yung 2% pa ng 2% na 'yon na nagiging successful sa industry na ito. Okay? Take massive action now, guys. There's no perfect time but now. Okay? Yun lang naman, guys. So I hope nakapagbigay ng idea sa inyo tong video nito. Okay? I hope you can leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. Okay? Tell me kung gusto nyo pang magbigay pa ako ng videos na ito on a daily basis para makatulong pa sa inyo. Okay? And I will leave links below. I hope you check it out. Magiging malaking tulong talaga yun para sa inyo. Okay? I-check out nyo na lang. You can visit that link after this video. Okay? And I hope you can also visit my blog, www.raymondgeraldtabaque.com. Marami kayong free tips and strategies makikita doon. And guys, katulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, you have to keep on learning in order for success to follow you. Have a great day. Have an awesome day. Tambay na naman tayo in the next video blog. This is once again Raymond Gerald Tabaque and I will see you again. Okay? So kita-kits ulit sa next video blog, guys. And have a great day. Bye!